Luke 2:2 for Advent Day 2. Hauter apographe proter agenitor, hegemoneuontos tesurias correniu. It's only a short verse, but there's still some cool stuff in it. Start off with what does it mean? Hauter this. This what? This apographe, this census, this registration, going back to the verb we had in verse 1. This census, agenitor, happened, or became, or was. Happened first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got a weird phrase, hegemoniontos tesurias correniu. Hegemoniontos is being governor, or being a leader. Who is being a leader? Quirinius. Where's he being a leader of? Syria. I'll come back to how that works in a moment. We have a second agenitor already. 120 odd in Luke, and you've got 5 of those just in this nativity section, giving a real linguistic hook off of which the narrative can hang. We've had the verb apographesthai in the previous section in the infinitive form, and here you've got the noun. The root is used 4 times in 5 verses, giving a real weight to the language of the census. What the census involved and what exactly it means to have been the first one is discussed widely, but the Greek text itself isn't too hard. The phrase in brackets is interesting though. It's what's called a genitive absolute. Genitive absolutes give background information to a sentence. You've got a participle, hegemoniontos, and a noun, correniu, in the genitive. In this instance, incorporating a further noun in the genitive, Surias, in order to describe the place ruled by Quirinius. Getting the name Quirinius into Greek is awkward, and a very uncomfortable attempt at transliteration is given. The participle, however, does something more interesting with the Roman context. A hegemon is a leader and can refer to the emperor or a provincial governor. Fitzmyer writes about whether this is a description of Quirinius being a prefect or a more general term of governance. The issue rises, in part, because a Roman system is being described in Greek, and the two political structures and languages do not completely overlap. 11 of the 23 uses of this and related words in the New Testament are in Luke Acts. Both of the uses of the participle to describe someone's leadership are Luke. See also 3:1. A good comparison is centurion. Mark transliterates it as centurion. Luke and Matthew both use hekatontarches. So Mark gives us centurion. Luke and Matthew hekatontarches, ruler of 100, which translates the elements of the word using a word that is in contemporary usage, for example in Plutarch. It's a good example of the challenges of writing about one culture in the language of another, and a reminder that when we're translating the Bible into English, we're adding a further layer of complexity to the situation that we really need to think about quite carefully.